Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to change a Gmail address username in today's video. So without any delay, let's just dive right in and get started. So for that, you need to go ahead and manage your Google account. So for that, you can use any of the Google associated application, for example, Play Store. You can use Gmail or even your settings in order to access it. And look out for your profile in the top right and tap on it. And then once you tap on your profile, you need to look out for this Google account and you can access your Google account this way. Now, if you're looking out, if you want to change your Gmail address username, you cannot do it after the account is created. So if you want to do so, you cannot do it. But however, you can change the name that appears on outgoing emails and your full Google account name. So for that, once you access your settings for Google account, you can look out for the option of personal info and tap on it. And once you access your personal info, under basic info section, you need to look out for the option called name and tap on it. And once you click on name, you can make your changes here. So tap on name, and there you can change your name for your Google account services, etc. outgoing emails. So here you can just go over and type in your new name. And once it is done, you can just go over and tap on save. And once it is done, these changes will be saved, and anyone who can see this information when they communicate with you or view the content that you've created in any of the Google services. And that is it. If you're looking out to change the whole address, you cannot do it once your account is created. You need to create up a new account if you want to change the whole address. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tutorials.